What's up guys, we're at the Asian Garden Mall, Phước Lộc Thọ in Garden Grove, and we're gonna celebrate Vietnamese, Lunar, and Chinese New Year by doing a little food tour. Let's do it!
Put that whole thing, you need a video.
Mày mới
one of each.
Okay. Meatball, siêu mai, and cheese ball. Anh còn siêu, okay.
Alright guys, we're gonna start off with some appetizers. Right here is some pork meatballs. Let's do it. It's sweet and crunchy. Really good. And this one is a deep fried si mai meatball right here. Si mai is like a little pork dumpling, but it's deep fried. Let's see. Let's see it. Try it out. It's actually stuffed with shredded carrots, and more pork. Nice and sweet, also very crunchy. So you know, since it's Vietnamese New Year's, right? We gotta get Vietnamese food to celebrate. So yeah, these are just some appetizers to start us off. This is called the bánh khóc, which is a egg pancake with a little shrimp in it. What you do is you put a little sweet soy sauce in there. I mean fish sauce, excuse me. And then you just eat it. Cheers. One of my favorite Vietnamese appetizers. It's really greasy and delicious. And the sweet fish sauce makes it really savory. Time to try the famous balut, which is preserved duck egg. It's duck fetus. It is actually a very scary dish for a lot of individuals, but we're gonna try it. Let's see. First, to break the top with a spoon. You break the top, right? Let's see. So right here we got a premature duck, and we gotta use the mint leaves, you know, put in there to give it a little taste. We got the salt and pepper here, put in here to give it a little flavor. I need it, guys. Gotta celebrate Lunar New Year's right. Cheers, guys. You see it? Alright, we're gonna dip it in a little bit of salt and pepper. Tasty. This is my favorite part right here. This is the yolk. Dip it in here. Grab a little mint. Give it a little garnish. This one's a really good egg. Some eggs are younger or older than others, but you can tell from the texture. The texture of the egg is crunchy, not too crunchy or not too hard, and it's a little tender too. So that's how you know it's perfect. Right. Kind of tastes like a hard-boiled egg, but with a little bit more flavor, and it just has more texture. There's a little bit of like soup in here. So at the end, you know what you gotta do? You gotta drink it like a shot. Refreshing. So we got another Vietnamese dish here, the bún bò way, aka the beef noodle soup. So we got some vermicelli noodles. Got a little blood cake right here. Some fish cake. Meat cake. Let's try this. Oh, can't forget the garnish. Gotta garnish it with some vegetables. Some cabbage. I'm gonna put some lemon in here. Let's try the meat cake. So this mall we're in is a Vietnamese mall, so that's why we're eating all this Vietnamese food. I usually don't like to eat the blood cake, but I'm gonna do this for you guys. See how it tastes. The blood cake right here. So blood cake, it just has a flavor that like kicks you in the face. It's just really strong in the taste. That's why I don't like it, but yeah, for you guys. We got a little pork rib here that you're supposed to gnaw on. Do it. Nice and fatty. That's why I compare the soup is a very meaty tomato soup with vermicelli noodles. You know what? Get a little thirsty, we need a beverage. That's why we got the nước mía, which is sugarcane juice. They actually had fresh sugarcane in the back. and they're just shredding it through the machine to make us this. And sugarcane, as the name implies, it already has sugar in it. That's why I didn't put any sweetener in this. I actually watched them make it, so let's see how it is. Delicious. Sugarcane tastes like really, really sweet spinach juice. That's how I'm gonna compare it. It's fire, guys. Cheers. Alright guys, we just finished all that food, so now it's time for dessert. Right here we got some sesame balls. A little cakey dessert. Try it out for you guys. Let's see. So it's like a little deep fried sesame ball, and then on the inside it's filled with like sesame custard. Really good. Alright, and then we got this next. This is a traditional Vietnamese dessert. It's called chea. And this one is the sung sao hop da, which translates to red bean and jelly. So yeah, it's like condensed milk in here, ice, shaved ice. And yeah, we're gonna try it out. Let's see. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. Some black grass jelly right here. Good. The condensed milk makes all the shaved ice in here really sweet. This grass jelly is delicious. Grass jelly is one of the lesser sweet jellies, and that's why I like it. Sometimes I don't like my dessert too sweet. Now let's try the red bean. Red bean and jelly, chea. So I'm gonna try the combo, the red bean and the jelly. I guess you could say this is a nutritious dessert because beans have good protein in them, right? And fiber. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that food tour. I know I did because I'm stuffed. If you guys want to see more videos, like this video, comment where you want us to go next, and subscribe for more food vlogs. Deuces, and Happy New Year's, Happy Vietnamese, Chinese New Year's, and Lunar New Year's to all my subscribers and fans.